Why I look like homegirl to be like this in the pictures? Y'all can't tell me I don't. Like, come on. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Denara. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe for future content. I'll be trying to whip it out for you guys. As you can tell by the title of the video, I'm just gonna get right into it. I wouldn't say I'm a hoarder, but I like to keep everything that I've ever owned in my whole entire life. I just need to get rid of everything pretty much. Like, there's a lot of stuff that I have that I'm no longer gonna use, no longer gonna wear, doesn't fit me, and if it did fit me I still wouldn't wear it. So it's just like I have all this bad mojo, bad vibes that I need to give away or get rid of to somebody else that would actually want it and use it and put it to use. So I just need to get rid of everything and start fresh, start new, especially for the new school year. Just put that positive vibes out there. So that's what we're gonna do today. I'm not sure how I'm going to structure this video. Maybe a kind of like a cleaning room, but mainly like with decluttering my closet. I think that's going to be its own separate video, but we'll see when we get there. But don't judge me because this is for the video. I wouldn't have it like this, but I'm just going to show you. Sorry if you can hear something in the background, but so I took off my sheets because I'm going to wash my clothes, my sheets and everything like that. Oh, why is it not focusing? There we go. So I bought all brand new clothes. I didn't think this would come as soon as the video came, but now like this is pressuring me to do it now because I literally bought all the clothes that I'll actually like wear and that'll fit me. So I need to get rid of all this stuff in here. So this is literally my drawers. Like, this is a bunch of stuff that like I don't even wear half of it, like just taking up all that room in there pretty much, and it's no type of organization or like I can't even pull this one out. That's how much is there. Like, I really don't even wear any of that. Wait, fit check. Shirt, shorts, hair tie. But yeah, that's pretty much it. We're just gonna, I kind of want to do like it like let me sit down and focus real quick. I kind of want to do it like the Marie Kondo method, like folding it and all that, but like my swing to it, kind of, if that makes sense. So that's what we're gonna do. We're just gonna empty everything out on my bed, go through it, and figure out what I'm gonna keep on. So I think I'm gonna do 5 piles. One obviously that I'm gonna keep, the other that I'm going to donate, one that I might be able to sell, a maybe pile. I have to see if I have to try it on to see if I'm gonna keep it, sell it, give it away or whatever, and then a throw it like trash regular pile, and a separate pile to give stuff back to my mom because I probably took it for her. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So we're gonna go ahead and get into it and get this show on the road. I remember 8th grade where I had this bucket hat and I wore it for like 2 pictures. That's it. I don't know why I bought this. All like the random things like I found like on the way in here. So right now I'm just gonna try it on the maybe pile, see what I do or don't like. Even if it like half of them I probably wouldn't even fit anymore, and if I did I probably still don't like it. So I'm just gonna go with them real quick and see what I do or don't want to keep from that. Right now, we're just gonna tackle my desk area. She looks insane. So I had like a bunch of like random miscellaneous stuff like in my whole room. Like I had stuff in my drawers, stuff in my closet, like a bottom shelf in my like bunk cubbies in my closet bin that I had, if that makes sense. I had stuff above my closet. So I kind of just took everything out that was miscellaneous, and if it could fit in these two boxes that I bought, then I would keep it. If not, then it just needed to go. So I was kind of like forcing myself to get rid of stuff that I really didn't need. So yeah, it's pretty much me organizing just all the random little tiny junk in my room that doesn't really have a designated spot. Hey guys, so it's been like a few days since I last recorded this. So I recorded a different outro for this video, but I just didn't like it. It was too rushed, too extra. Like I just feel like I definitely could have gotten rid of more stuff. So I just took another day or two and went through everything, and I managed to get rid of another full white trash bag full of stuff. So I'm very proud of that. I'll just give you guys like an overview of what the room looks like now and show you a lot of progress that we've made. Okay, first over here we have my desk. She looks a lot neater. I just wiped her down real quick, put some stuff up, and I put all the products or extras that I wasn't using currently inside the drawer in my closet that I showed you with all my hair care stuff. My products over here. Ooh, this fell. Yeah, all my makeup stuff over here. Again, I still have to sell those two things and then it'll be gone. Just have to take that out the box and put it somewhere, and yeah, just have to find like a little area for those two items. I think the rest of it is like pretty solid, should be there. I might put that in my car, but for the most part it's good. Under there I have my Dior bag. I might put that in my closet, but I think she's fine right there. It doesn't bother me, and she's, you know, tucked away. Then I have my camera box that will go in my closet, and then my curling iron that needs to go in its place. I know my mirror broke. I broke it, but listen, she works for right now. I just have to put my book bag away. And then she's all neat over here. So all my drawers are organized. They're organized, trust me. I just have to tuck my bra on there. Here is like I said, all of my like extra shirts. I actually have like a lot of them, like my fancy shirts that don't necessarily need to be hung up, so they're all kind of like tucked in here. Again, it's fuller now because I did have my Shein haul and I put all the items that I got from that in here. That's why it looks a lot fuller. And here is like my designated like workout clothes area. So I have like my waist trainer, my workout sets and all that in here. Some shirts, and then yeah, it's just like all my like active wear, you could say. Here is still a big problem. I need to really just go through again and try on every single shirt and see again what I do or don't like. The last clip you seen like it was like this much area of stuff that was empty, so the rest of the shirts from the haul kind of like filled up like this section, and also my laundry filled up that section, which so everything on my shirts, graphic shirts and, you know, t-shirts fit in here, which I'm happy about, but I definitely feel like I could have more room. And then finally under here, I gave away a lot of stuff, like a lot of stuff, pants. Like this before was like full to the top and I couldn't even put the rest of it. Mind you, I didn't have my stuff from my haul or my clean clothes, so I'm glad I was able to fit like all of my sweatpants, chill relax lounge pants in here. That was a very big accomplishment for me because a lot of these pants I had like random attachments to, and like the whole point of the video is just like to get rid of those attachments, so I'm glad I did that. And then back over to my desk, I just, you know, again got rid of all like a bunch of stuff. I mean, these are all technically junk drawers, but they're all drawers that I would need to, they're all kind of junk drawers, but they're all drawers that I need at my desk, like for quick access, like things I need there for quick access, if that makes sense. So I'm not too mad that it's kind of like messy in here, even though they're definitely a lot cleaner than they were. My bed's made, and then that box I just need to get rid of. Return. I just have to return the items in the box. I got rid of majority of my purses. I just have 3. Those are my my everyday purse, like a fancy going out purse, and then like a beach purse. So the work we did to the room, I think I made great progress. I got rid of 4 full bags of clothes and then another bag of just trash like that needs to be thrown away. So I did a great job getting rid of stuff and decluttering. I'll probably do this video again in a few months once I've outworn some of the items again, maybe give it a few more months. I'm trying to think if I give it a few more months for me to wear it and see how much regularly I wear some of these items, I'll get rid of it even more. So yeah, I think that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll be back soon with part 2. Bye guys.